Gloria and welcome back to my channel. You can already judge by the title of this video that this video is going to be my hair color transformation. I can't wait to have purple hair, guys. I'm using this product called Streaks Ultra Lights. It's in the color purple topaz. I've got 2 packets of the same color and we are gonna go for an ombre effect, like purple नीचे ज़्यादा होगा and ऊपर be like lighter purple or something like that. So in this process we have to pre-light our hair, so we are gonna apply bleach as well, and everything is there in this chotu packet itself. So what all do we have here? We have a brush, we have a developer and a blonder powder, then we have the colorant itself, and then we have 2 small packets of conditioner, one like the mixer and 1 pair of gloves. So everything is there and sorted for you, and it's very simple. I've watched like tons of YouTube videos on this color, like this particular range, and the results are stunning, and I hope I like थोड़ा बहुत मेरे बालों में भी असर दिख जाए. So I did L'Oreal का highlight last year and it did not really show up on my hair because I have like jet black hair. So I'm hoping like after bleaching maybe, you know, color थोड़ा सा दिख जाए मेरे बालों पर. And as you can see, I have long hair, so I'm gonna, you know, just do the lower part of it so that if anything happens I'll like chop it off. But I pray that I don't have to. So yeah, this packet retails for 160 rupees, 1 packet, and I got some discount, like some 15% off as well on Nykaa, so you can check it out there. Then what all do you need before starting it? Do a patch test if needed. We want a plastic bowl, a foil paper, and that's it. And Vaseline. So I'm just gonna apply some Vaseline like here ताकि you know color ना आए, और आए भी तो like it does not stick or whatever. So you can wash your hair before doing this process. I am not washing my hair really because जितने भी मैंने videos देखी हैं YouTube पे भी and इसमें भी पूरा I have read everything from this and nowhere it has been mentioned that कुछ बाल धोने चाहिए इसे करने से पहले or whatever. So post like पहले हम bleaching वाला step करेंगे. We'll keep it for like 15-20-25 minutes or so, and then we will wash it off with shampoo, no conditioner, and after that हम उस पे colorant लगाएंगे, and then we'll wash it off with just this conditioner, no shampoo after the second step. That is to be noted. Please don't wash it with shampoo after the second step. So let's get started. So guys, before starting the process, make sure that your hair is untangled, detangled, whatever. There shouldn't be any sort of tangles in your hair, so make sure you I detangled it last night only because it takes like 45 minutes for me to detangle my hair. So I did detangle it last night and now I'm here. I'm just, you know, combing through. So yeah. So I am going to part my hair in 4 parts basically. So सामने के 2 parts and पीछे के 2 parts, so that will be easier for us to apply it. So first we are gonna mix the blonder powder in this. What is happening? Okay, this is like light bluish in color. We are gonna put the developer. We are gonna mix it all together. So after mixing it, it will look something like this bluey consistency. So the whole process of application should be over in 10 minutes. Now let's apply this. Wear a very old t-shirt so that the t-shirt does not get spoiled. We are going to take a piece of foil paper and put it, like I'll divide the back ka section into two sections, so we'll have two parts here, and it smells sort of bad. So we are gonna apply more bleach on the ends, and towards going to the top of it we are gonna apply less bleach. And make sure you are covering like all your hair properly in the bleach, so that you don't have any black sections left. We are gonna break it as we go upwards, so that the ombre effect looks seamless and smooth, so no harsh line is there, so keep that in mind. Like this. So this is how it goes, and we're gonna do the same thing on all our hair strands now. So guys, I have covered all my hair strands like this. As you can see, I've wrapped them up with foil paper as well. So I'm gonna just wait for another 15 to 20 minutes and check what's the color of these. Have they pre-lightened or what? So let's wait for like 15 minutes. Hey guys, I am back. So it's been 30 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes because मेरे बालों पे color चढ़ नहीं रहा था, because they're jet black. Like they were not becoming blonde or were not lightened at all. So I had to wait for 30 minutes, and now I think they are sort of done, as you can see. So I'm just gonna remove it. So this is how my hair currently looks. They are sort of de-lightened and it's nice. So we're just going to shampoo it. Use the shampoo, only the shampoo, no conditioner, and I'm just going to dry my hair after that, air dry, and then come back. You can use a blow dry as well. So see you on the other side. Hi guys, I am back, and this is what my hair looks like. It is sort of pre-lightened already, and this is how the back looks like it's whoa. So now we are gonna use the color purple on this all over it, so that the whole blonde mess turns to purple. So the second step is just applying the colorant. Now we are gonna color. So for convenience sake, I have parted my hair already. I have done 4 partitions. So we're just gonna color these ones now. So let's begin from the back section. Take some color and just apply it all over. You have to make sure that all your hair strands are covered in purple, because otherwise the whole point of blonding them would just go to waste. Like we did previously. So guys, this is how I look after after applying the color, and I have generously applied color on each and every strand so that there are no blonde hair left. So I'm just gonna wait for 1 hour. It's written that you should wait for 30 minutes, but I think I'll let the color set in for a little longer. So I'll wait for around 50 to 60 minutes, and then I'll wash off this with just this conditioner that we have received from Streaks itself. We won't use any shampoo. So yeah, I'll see you with the final hair results. Hi guys, what's up? So this is a day after the hair wash, after everything. So I actually did not have the time to shoot, so I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks. So it looks something like this in daylight, and when there's no light, so you can't really figure out, like it looks black only in dark. And but if you, like if I'm under sunlight or under artificial lighting, this comes out to be sort of purplish. I would say I'm not that happy with the color, but like I paid just 160 rupees for one dabba, and I can't complain about that. I think it does justice to what I have paid, even more than justice. It has some color. I did not expect any color, but yeah, I have like jet black hair, as you can see already. So I think it does justice to the price that you pay for it. But I would suggest you get like more packets of it, because I thought 2 packets मेरे वालों पे कम पड़ रहे थे, तो I think I should have gotten 3 packets. So as you can see, we have some brown strands here and there, and color payoff भी मतलब ठीक है, इतना अच्छा नहीं है, इतना बुरा भी नहीं है. But yeah, that is about it. One thing to mention, please use color protected shampoo and conditioner whenever you wash your hair after this. So I'm gonna buy the L'Oreal one. I'll put a picture here. I'm gonna buy that. So yeah, that is about it. That's my whole hair color journey, because I actually kind of like it. It's sort of different, like it's not very on your face, but it's like it's sort of something different, which is subtle also. And if you want to go for this look, you should go for this color and buy more dabbas. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you did, do like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And I make a lot of fun videos like this. Do check out my channel, and please subscribe if you like me or my work or my videos. I will see you next time. Until then, bye.